Want to lock your hidden photos on iPhone and keep them truly private? Here's how to do it securely in iOS 26. First, open the Photos app, select any photo you want to hide, tap the three dots in the top right and choose Hide. This moves it to your hidden album under the Utilities section. To lock that folder, go to the Settings app, scroll down and tap Photos. There, enable Use Face ID or use passcode to require authentication before anyone can access the hidden album. You can also toggle off Show Hidden Album to make it disappear from the Photos app entirely. Note that the lock uses your iPhone's passcode or Face ID. It can't be a separate password. If you don't see these options, make sure Face ID or a passcode is set up under Settings, Face ID and Passcode. And that's it. Your hidden photos are now secured and invisible unless unlocked. If this helped, tap like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more quick iPhone tutorials.